You know what time it is. Better button this up. I'll do that in a second. It's time for an RV campground review. This time, we're at a very unique place. It's called the Ridge Outdoor Resort outside of Pigeon Forge. The best way I think about doing this is that it's so spread out and there's so many things that are going on. Maybe we just do a little drone review. Never done one of these. Fly a drone and give you a campground review. We'll see. I'll mix in some footage so you can kind of see what this whole facility looks like.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
All right, let's talk about this wonderful RV park. And we're gonna do that by a little drone work. We're gonna be going around the event center that's right here. And the event center is actually pretty amazing, to say the least. When you look at how it's all set up, laid out, you have two separate pools. And those pools, one's here and then there's a lazy river on the other side. And it encompasses the whole middle of the park, which is actually pretty neat. It's actually a really amazing park when you stop and consider everything that they have here for amenities. The event center consists of this area that's up here, and you have the full drive-through that comes through, and then everyone can park. They can rent Jeeps. You can actually get everything, and then they actually have like the whole facility where you can, I don't know, you can have your rallies, you can have your huddles. It's actually a church on the weekends as well. Let's go back on this other side so you can kind of see where they have like a shop that you can actually get sandwiches. They have these amazing tents and yurts. So the tents and the yurts kind of sporadically put out. So we have them here for the yurts. The yurts are actually awesome. Let me show you what one of those looks like inside. I was there earlier and you can kind of walk around. When you walk through them, they're just completely unlike anything I was considering. You have a great little living room area. They're usually 2 bedrooms. They have ACs, they have dehumidifiers, things like that, and even a heater. So our daughter was able to stay in one of these. They also have cabins. Now the cabins are down on the other side. Let me show you where those are. So right now what we're doing is we're going down through, there's different levels when it comes to the RV park itself. And the best part about this is that if you get a higher view of the whole park, you'll be able to see that there's a pond, and with the pond you have RV sites that are around it, and then actually on the top side there's some special ones that actually when you pull up into them they have like their own little cabana area. Like, it's cool. Okay, wait. Besides that, check this store out. There's this deli, store, laundry facility, all that fun stuff that you can come in. Now the deli is generally open till 4 or 5. They serve some amazing food. We were able to sit here and just look out over the water and see everything that's going on. The other pool is back here as well. So remember those places I was telling you about? These are them. They're actually spots that you can actually park your RV, and they have these amazing overlooks over the water. Not only that, you have your own fireplace, hot tub, TV. It's all right there. And just down over the hill is actually the second pool. And the second pool has a lazy river. When we were having our event here, we were able to have some music. Actually a great little place to do all that with. This park's just really, I don't know, it's just laid out really well. Down this way, having a Pinnacle rally right now. We just finished our huddle here. And then the ACA, American Coach Association rally is getting ready to happen. So they're all coming in. Let's take a look at some cabins. So here's the cabin. So we had some people that stayed in the cabins themselves, and if you look at them, they don't look like they're anything big, right? I mean, they're pretty tiny. But when you walk in the door, the way they're laid out is fabulous. You can actually walk in, generally have your seating area, and then it walks back to your bedroom. But everything's on these hills, so if you're gonna come here, be prepared. The vehicle's gonna be getting a workout in. We've had this great spot. We've been able to see everyone coming in and out. There's one other area that's down towards the front that if you're deciding to come, that you may want to consider. And it's kind of tucked off on the front and you're closer to the road. And that's down here. So down in this area, as you come in the entrance, You're just a few miles away from basically Dollywood, and everything in Sevierville is just right in this area. It's perfectly located as far as like trying to take care of seeing some things as you're traveling. Again, you have your yurts down one section. Your cabins are up on top of the hill. There's cabins out here also by the water, and then your unique RV sites. The good part about staying in this little section here, you're close to the center itself, so you can just walk in as you're setting up for like your rallies. Or if you're gonna go down and maybe rent a Jeep or do something like that, it's just down over the hill. All right, as you can see, it's a big RV park, but it's so laid out nicely. And if you're going to come this way, I highly recommend checking out this resort. Yes, you're gonna go up some hills. Once you get to your RV spot, you're gonna be super happy because it's just, I don't know, it's a great feeling and you're close to everything. We're getting ready to go back out into the Smoky Mountains and kind of maybe run around 𝐶𝐞𝐻𝐾 Cove, do some other activities. And we had our huddle here, and there's like 2 more rallies that are here now. There's the Pinnacle Rally and the ACA Rally that's happening. With the event facility, all the amenities, the cabins, the yurts, all the things that are around it, from Dollywood to going down in Pigeon Forge and all the places to eat. It's a pretty good one. It's a pretty good one. Hopefully you enjoyed this. It was a little unique, it's a little different, but it's the only way I could think about showing you the whole resort area as I ran around on the one wheel. It's the first time I've done that. Hopefully it turned out. I don't even know what the footage looks like. All being said, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, be a doer of all things. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. And as always, we are out.